There's a major shakeup at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in Atlanta. The Trump administration has fired the agency's director after less than a month on the job. Erica Brown shows us why the White House made that decision as other top officials have resigned.
White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt is defending the firing of CDC Director Susan Manares.
The president has the authority to fire those who are not aligned with his mission.
CBS News has learned Manares was at odds with Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. over his COVID vaccine policies. Former acting CDC Director Richard Besser spoke with her.
And she said that there were two things she would never do in the job. One was anything that was deemed illegal. And the second was anything that she felt flew in the face of science. And she said she was asked to do both of those.
Attorneys representing Manares says she was targeted after she refused to rubber stamp unscientific, reckless directives and fire dedicated public health experts. Kennedy blamed the CDC while speaking at a news conference with Texas Governor Greg Abbott.
The CDC is an agency that is very troubled for a very long time, and anybody who lived through the COVID pandemic and saw all of these bizarre recommendations that were not science-based.
4 other top officials at the CDC have also resigned, saying public health is being weaponized.
One of those individuals wrote in his departure statement that he identifies pregnant women as pregnant people. So that's not someone who we want in this administration anyways.
The issues came to the forefront after the FDA updated its COVID vaccine recommendations with new restrictions. The White House says the president will nominate a new CDC director soon. Erica Brown, CBS News, the White House.
And Democratic Senator Patty Murray called for Secretary Kennedy to be fired, while Senator Bernie Sanders called for a hearing about the CDC director's firing.